Are you a complete yoga beginner? Do you want to start or restart your yoga journey? Or do you simply want to enjoy some yoga? Then this 7-day yoga challenge is for you. My name is Marcel and I'm very excited to have you. This is day 1, which is all about grounding. We're starting right off with mountain pose. Feel how your feet are rooted into the floor below your hips. And from the feet get long to the top of the head. As you're breathing in, get longer from your feet to the crown of the head. And as you're breathing out, holding that length that you found. Feeling the gravity pulling you down into the earth. Feeling the feet connected with the earth. Feeling the skin of the whole body drawing down at the gravitational pull. Breathing in deep into your belly and then into your chest. Bring your arms up by your sides and extend the arms out as far as you can, engaging the arms, engaging the muscles of your arms. You can point the palms forward, keeping that stand that we have found in mountain pose, standing tall. Breathing deep. Awesome job. Awesome job. How does your body feel? Release your arms by your sides. And slowly shifting all the weight to the left leg. Feeling the toes connected into the floor, feeling the big toe mount connected to the floor, the heels and the outer edge of the foot connected into the floor. Through these 4 points, slowly turn the right leg to the side and pick it up on your lower leg. Coming into tree pose, either bring the leg up to the thigh or leave it down on the lower leg, not on the knee. Either lower leg or on the thigh. From here you can, as soon as you found stability, bring your arms up by your sides and find the length from the feet to the top of the fingers. Slowly come out of it again and change the side. Again, taking time in the beginning to root your right leg down, feeling the toes connected to the floor, the big toe mount connected to the floor, the heels and the outer edge of the foot, all connected to the floor, balancing the weight between these 4 points. Slowly turn your left leg to the side and pick it up either on the lower leg or on the upper leg. From here, as soon as you find the necessary balance, bring your arms up by your side and lengthen your body. Breathing in deep and breathing out. Great job. Come to the front of the mat in your time. Bend your knees and hinge at the hips, slowly folding forward. If you like, you can release your arms down onto the floor if you can reach there. Honoring wherever you are today, shifting your hips over the heels as good as you can. So a lot of the weight will be over the toes. Great job. If you can't quite go as deeply as you like to, you can also bend your knees and make the pose more accessible to you. You're very welcome to do that. You're doing an awesome job. Keep it up. And from here, slowly bend your knees and roll to the back, coming onto your back right here, right now. Pick your legs up and bring the feet close to your bum. Your knees are over the heels, keep them there. Bring your arms next to your body, elbows are pointing into the floor and fingers are pointing into the sky. Lift your hips up, slowly, slowly keeping your knees over the heels. Lift your lower back up, the upper back up. And with your gaze, you can look over your head, breathing in deep, your belly into your chest. Great job. We're here in bridge pose. One more deep breath. And slowly coming out. This is the exercise, slowly vertebra by vertebra coming out. Now, we want to shift towards a wall. So coming close to a wall, shift your hips close to the wall and then shift your legs up the wall, coming into an inversion. Now, if this feels already good to you, having just the legs up on the wall, awesome. If this causes you any kind of pain, please come out of it. If you like to intensify, you can bring your elbows next to your body and fingers are pointing up and shift your hips up. Grab onto your hips and extend your legs on the wall. From here, just look up into the sky, breathe in deep. And slowly come out of it again. Release vertebra by vertebra down. And turn yourself around as soon as you arrive on the floor again. Coming on to all fours, bringing your knees to the sides. Bring the big toes together and release your body forward, coming into child's pose. Breathing in deep into your belly, into your chest, feeling the gravity pulling you down. Releasing your whole body to the earth. If there is a stretch going on, feeling that stretch. And breathing in deep into that stretch. And coming up again. Slowly turn yourself around again. Coming to lie down on your back. From there, pick your knees up. Grab on between your legs through, either on the big toe with the index finger and the middle finger, or with your whole hands on the side of the feet, coming into happy baby position and being a happy baby here. Great job. So moving your body left and right, giving your back a massage, extending your right leg, extending your left leg. Enjoying the sensation. Breathing in deep. And out. Do what feels good to you. Then slowly come out, extend your legs. Bring your arms by your sides. The feet are facing away from each other. Arms are lying by your sides, the palms are pointing up towards the sky. Bring the chin a little bit to your chest. And just be in Savasana. It's the final relaxation pose. It's always done at the end of yoga to finish up yoga and to come out of it again. So please do this position. It's very important. Just be, nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. And slowly come out. Start to move your fingers, start to move your toes. If you like, shift yourself to the right and then come back to a sit, maybe on your knees. And I congratulate you for finish this first day. If you liked any poses in particular, let me know in the comments. It helps me out so much. Wish you a wonderful rest of the day, and I hope to see you very soon. Tune in tomorrow for day 2.